Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Bash and this is Nomad Scrambler. Today we're out for another motovlog, but this time I've got a topic for you. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that I love about my 2019 Triumph Street Scrambler. I did notice in the last video, I want to address this, I'm still working out the audio kinks with this mic setup that I've got. Something hit my foot, man. Like a stick or something. Oh my god, gravel. Norfolk people, there's so much random stuff on the road. Well, that's kind of thrown me off. Anyway, the last video I noticed there was some kind of like almost like a zipper dinging. I think that's where I placed the microphone. Hopefully it's better in this video. If it is, let me know in the comment section below. If it's not, also let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I can fix it for the next video, because I'm trying to get the best quality I can for you guys. And I feel like every time I take it out, I can't find a way to mount this microphone that captures pure pipe audio. The headset mic's sorted. I found somewhere for that, but not there. Anyway, let's get into the topic of today's video. Number one, the number one thing that I love about my Triumph Street Scrambler is the power. This thing's a 900cc, a liquid-cooled engine, and the power is just there whenever you want it. Like, for example, if I just 4th gear pull, it instant response straight up to 60 mile an hour. We'll slow it down into the village though. We don't want to be giving everyone a bad name just because I want to speed for a bit. Oh, so much gravel! Look at that! What? Lovely. We're going down here. If anyone's watched the latest Pure Sound video, you will recognise this road from that video. I come this road quite a lot on my way back from certain filming locations, and well, it allows me to just get out. Anyway, yeah, like I was saying, the power of this engine is just perfect for me, as I'd say a novice still, because I've only been riding for a little while on a big bike, and it's perfect amount of power. This thing will do over 100 miles an hour, allegedly. But it also is just fun to just ride around on. Oh, the sun's in my eyes, even with the tinted visor. But yeah, no, moving on to number two, the second thing that I love about this bike is it's torquey, which means if I want to take it off road and into a field and just rip it, I can, man. And don't worry, that video is coming very soon. I have a shoot all planned for me taking this thing off road. I've researched the location that I'm allowed to take this thing off road, because there are green lanes in the UK, and I'm going to be taking it down one. And with literally no experience, and I'm so paranoid about dropping the bike, it's unbelievable. Oh, but yeah, no, that torque is just, it's great. It's really low down the rev range. It lets you like get out of situations. It's amazing. Number 3, the thing that I love about this Street Scrambler is how comfortable the seat is. The stock seat, people say bad things about it, but I've ridden for like 2-3 hours. That was 4 hours at a time, and I think the seat is ridiculously comfortable. But towards the end of the day, yeah, sure, like it hurts a bit, but I wouldn't swap it out. No, I like the seat. I like the vibe the seat gives. Oh, funny. And that, let's be honest, like for most of us, looking how the bike looks is just as important as how functional it is, because we all choose our bike based on what we like. I, for example, the touring windscreen, but I'm not sure I like that all the time, so I'm probably going to end up only using it for touring. But I like it for touring because it gives me something to get behind, and like it allows me to, you know, just to use it to protect myself from the wind on like long motorway journeys if I need to. Oh, we might scrape peg. No, not quite. Woo! Oh man, this road is like perfect for taking some photos as well, and I really want to, but everywhere's busy tonight, so I might head back to my house, drop off the shopping thing, and then head back out. I think that's the plan. Otherwise, I'm just going to be riding around and my shopping's going to be getting all weird. Right, what is the time, by the way? 7:30. I mean, I could probably get back out. I've got about an hour. I've got loads of fuel. Yeah, we'll do it. Let's do that. New plan. Number 4. Number 4? Yeah, number 4. Number 4 is how many third-party parts there are available for this bike. Like, for example, the Thornton 100 do a load of parts, SW Motec, Oxford do universal parts, but still, they fit to this. You got Motone. I love their little like billet fuel cap thing. I really want that. Barkbusters, they fit on this. That's something I like. As well as Triumph has a massive collection of like OEM accessories to make your bike how you want it. Like they do an extended luggage rack, which might be an idea for touring. Again, like I'm planning some big tour, like not big tours, some big rides around the UK to begin with. But there's nothing. Oh, of course, my fuel lights come on. Yeah, there's nothing stopping me from heading out to, I don't know, maybe yeah, like France, South France, Italy, Spain. Like I have it all on my doorstep. It's only a ferry away. Like why would I not go and trial that out and use some of those touring accessories in like Krieger bags, wingman of the road tents? So many options. Quadlock's another accessory that goes on this bike, and it is like the one thing that in every video you'll just see my phone. Oh, that was a nice corner. You'll see my phone mounted up to this. And finally, number 5. Oh man, I had number 5 in my head and now it's gone. Oh, number 5, how can I forget? I'm literally listening to it. Man, I'm a donut. Oh, the exhaust sound is stock. Like what you're listening to, what you've been listening to in all the pure sound videos. If you've not listened to those videos, go and check them out in the link below. The exhaust from stock, it sounds thumpy, it sounds great, and I absolutely love it. It's one of those exhaust notes that just doesn't get old when you wind the throttle in. It's so good. Yeah, that is literally 5 things that I love about my Triumph Street Scrambler, and I'm not going to say I wouldn't change, but those are my like top 5 things that drew me to this bike initially. It was just how good it looks and sounds and how comfortable this thing is, and you can't get any better than that. I do keep thinking about changing my mirror placement to below, but you guys have to let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. But for now, I'm going to head down here and just go out in front of Mr. Bikey Friend. Head up here. Yeah, anyway, for now, that is going to be it for today's video. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. Leave a comment down below about your favorite thing about this bike that you see me on. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.